Welcome back, Hot Wheel collectors and diecast enthusiasts, to another episode of Curb's Garage. As promised, this is my 70s funny car diecast collection, and most of these are 90% of them are Johnny Lightnings. This one here that we're looking at is actually from the National Hot Rod Association. It was some kind of a giveaway thing. Made in China, all plastic, and there's the parachute. Just a cheap little plastic thing, but nice little keepsake with the NHRA logos on it. Maybe a parachute came out of there at some point. Anyway, don't know much about that, but anyhow, we got our little Christmas tree there, and just watched my mongoose snake, and I forgot to put this one in. This is actually a mongoose's Tom McCune car here. This is a 50th anniversary NHRA, and there is no mongoose on it, but on the packaging it said that it was his car. And this is a Racing's Champion 67 Chevelle. It's got the really thin wheels in the front and the big slicks in the back. It doesn't have the opening like a regular funny car, so there's that one. And let's see. Okay, starting the very first Johnny Lightning is the Revels. Revels was a plastic model company that made a lot of these cars famous. This is the Jungle Gym. I remember having this model as a kid. And there's the racing samples. There's a little Jungle Gym right there. This one has all fat plastic wheels. There's the rear detail. And there's the opening hatch there. And I believe this is a Vega, or it's supposed to be anyway. Not sure what year. It's got the centerline wheels. And then here's a kind of a forest green, really dark green, almost looks black. Same tampos. And there's the rear. And as you can see. And that's also Johnny Lightning, 1997. These years that I'm saying that they were released, I'm not 100% sure, but it's pretty close. This is the Hawaiian. And this is the 1971 Charger. And this is the Roland Leongs. He's actually from Hawaii. That's how this car got the name, the Hawaiian. This one also has the all four fat tires on it. And this is supposedly a 71 Charger. There's another one. This is supposed to be a 72 Charger. This one's more got the fat wheels in the back, the little wheels in the front. And I wasn't able to make out what brand it was. Thinking it's probably Johnny Lightning. Got white interior, or it looks like it was white, but I guess it's not. There's the undercarriage and rear detail. Yeah, so there's that. And up next we have the Tom McCulloch. Moloch. Sorry, I butchered that. Revolution. And the Revel from the model company. And let's see if I can get that up there. And this one is a 73 Duster. Back window is all painted blue out. And let's see if we can open her up. Take a look inside. And also has the all fat tires on it. And that all came out in 1996, I think. I'm just going by the base on some of these. They may have been, that might have been the Diecast year, and then they released them later. You know how these Diecasts work. Here's another Revel's Chi-Town Hustler. Front end detail. This one clearly was found in the wild. Most of these are blister pulls, but this one's got a bunch of scratches on it, so I probably found this one at a swap meet or something. And that is the 73 Charger. Austin Coyle is the driver. Up next, got the Blue Max, one of my favorite. The Johnny Lightning. This is a 71 Mustang. Harry Schmitz, the driver. And let's see this one here. This one has a different undercarriage, orange, the yellow exhaust. Pretty nice. And this one also has the realistic small wheels in the front and the slicks in the back. Up next, we got the Sox and Martin. Ronnie Sox as the driver. Another Johnny Lightning. The red, white, and blue color. This is a 65 Mustang. There goes the tree. Let's move you out of the way. Over here. And this one actually does not open up. It's shut. That's a pretty nice little piece there. Up next is I believe this is a 72 Charger, and this is just it's from the Racing Dreams, so this is not a realistic car. I think somebody just made it up. Maybe it's Tom Daniels, as he did some of these. But pretty neat, realistic looking, funny car. Too bad it never really did exist. Here's the Barry Setzer, driven by Pat Foster. This is a 71 Vega, and lots of Vegas in this era. It's a popular funny car. There's a detail for you. This one actually feels like it has rubber tires. Yep. There's your opening. A little too dark to see. Here she sits. Next up we have Brutus. This is a 71 Mustang, driven by Lee Arlington. Nice racing orange. And let's take a look at this guy up. There's the rear detail, and you got the slicks and the thin wheels in the front. Next, you got the Fiend. This is also Johnny Lightning, and this is a nicknamed White Lightning as the car, but it is Tom Daniels' design for Fearless Funny Cars for Johnny Lightning. So these are just some made up cars. Pretty cool. And let's see when that came out. That was in 2000. That came out. This is the Dun and Reith. And this is a Barracuda. Came out Johnny Lightning 1999. Got the wheelie bar in the back. Let's see. Open her up. Slicks and the thinner wheels in the front. Here is 72 Charger, 1996. Johnny Lightning, Wild Willie. And also has the Revell logo there. Good years. And this front end. And that is a Maverick. Not sure what year that. Oh no, that's a 72 Charger. Pardon me. Let's see here. Got the Mean Maverick. It's got the wheelie bar. And if I correct, this is also a Tom Daniels design for Johnny Lightning. So not a realistic, or not a real life funny car, but just a design there. And let's see what else we got here. Got a few to look at, guys, so please be patient with me. Here's the Dick Harrell. And this is a Vega, another Vega. Nice red. I'll open it up. They all basically have the same inside and bases. There we go. Dick Harrell was also known as Mr. Chevrolet. And here's a 68 Charger. Mr. Norms. And I believe that came out in 1996 from Johnny Lightning. This one here was kind of interesting one for me. It's supposedly a 72 Challenger, Color Me Gone, driven by Roger Lindamood. It's a Mopar. A bright, almost day glow green. And this one does open. And it also came in blue. And I believe these were also 1996 releases. Here's the Don Shoemaker Wonder Wagon. Also a Vega. I wish I knew what year it was, but I don't. It's interesting that it has a sunroof, though, on a funny car. There's the rear detail. And we also have it in yellow. They are side by side. And I believe those came out in 1996 as well. If you guys know better, of course, you know to comment. Here is the Trojan. Clearly a Mustang. And this 73 Mustang from Larry Fullerton was the driver. There's the classic Mustang rear detail, front end, and boom. This one has the all four thicker wheels on it. There's the Motown Shaker, another Johnny Lightning, and another Vega. Got 1996, and that was an Al Burglars. That's the driver. Nice flames. Pretty neat paint job. It's got the all fat wheels on it. Okay, got a few more to look at here. Let's flip this guy over. And got wasn't going to show this one. There's some very bad things about this driver, but it's all about the cars. So I'm not even going to mention the guy's name. But, another Johnny Lightning. Here is the Lights Out Liberty. And that's just a made-up car for the Summerfest, Johnny Lightning. There's one of my favorites, the Pabst Blue Ribbon 72 Charger. And that was one of my favorite racers, Mickey Thompson. Used to dominate. There's the opening. This also has the realistic fat in the back. And thinner wheels in the front. And now I'm going to get to the little red wagon. And these were pretty cool. They came with a little let's see how this thing worked. It went like that somehow, and it looked like it was doing a wheelie. So that is the red wagon. These came from Johnny Lightning, came out in 1999. That's the Bill Maverick Dodge, 78 Dodge wagon. These are really cool. I remember this as a kid, seeing it in real life. And there's a few variations of it. Here's the Chuck wagon, Chuck pulls. There's the detail. These are basically all the same. Diecast, just different, but they are real legitimate drag cars. John Ludwig, Dodge Rebellion, engine in the back, and then we got the Dodge material, it's Kearney Brothers, and the last one is the Doug's Headers, and that was, I believe, Doug Thorley. And I'll get all these down here. A little overview of them all. So yeah, Johnny Lightning, basically, I think from 96 on to the 2000s, where most of these probably still available. I've seen some online. Pretty nice, so hope you enjoyed it, and stay safe, and happy hunting if you can. Probably got to do it online nowadays. All right, take care.